Good morning, children. So today I am starting safely at home. Now today I am starting the next chapter, sound. All right. So first of all, you should know what is sound. Sound is a form of energy which produce sensation of hearing in our ears. All right. Now when you are considering that sound is a form of energy, then you know light is also a form of energy and other forms of energy are also there, we studied in the earlier chapters. But sound means which produce sensation of hearing in our ears. Now second point, sound you may consider as an elastic longitudinal wave. Okay, Longitudinal, longitudinal wave. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of elastic wave? Elastic wave is that kind of wave which is produced due to vibrations of the particles of the medium. Alright. So you see, when I am talking, I am delivering the lecture, then I am producing some sound. So how the sound is produced? This one cord is there. The vocal cord is there within my throat. So that vocal cord is vibrating in different manner and producing the sound. Okay, so it means that whenever any wave it is produced due to vibration of the particles, then it is known as elastic wave. Alright, then why it is known as longitudinal wave? Longitudinal wave means what? If you consider this is the particle of the medium, this dot, then you see the particle of the medium vibrate to and fro parallel to the direction of propagation of wave. Means if the sound wave is moving in this direction, then particles of the medium, it will vibrate parallel like this. So it is the longitudinal wave. Okay. And in some case, when the particles of the medium vibrate perpendicular, just look at my finger. If the particle vibrates like this, it is vibrating perpendicular to the wave, then that kind of wave is known as the transverse wave. Okay. So here you have to remember that sound is an elastic longitudinal wave. Elastic wave means it is produced due to vibrations of the particles of the medium, and longitudinal means particles vibrate parallel to the direction of the wave. Okay. So these are the points you must learn and remember. Okay. Sound is a form of energy which produce sensation of hearing in our ears. Sound is an elastic longitudinal wave. Now next point regarding sound is produced, already said that point, sound is produced due to vibration of its source. Alright, just I have noted down the point separately. Okay. Now, sound is an elastic wave. Sound needs medium for its propagation. Means if the sound want to move from one point to other, sound need medium for its propagation. That's why sound cannot travel in vacuum. Alright. One very interesting fact is that suppose you have gone to moon. Alright, moon, you know there is no atmosphere, no air. So what will happen if somebody follow you on moon surface, then you will not be able to hear the footsteps of the follower. Why? Because the footstep sound, it will not be able to travel as there is no medium above the moon surface. So if you go to moon and somebody follows you, or you have just thrown a stone is touching the surface, then you know that sound will be produced, but you will not be able to hear the sound. Why? Because sound cannot travel in vacuum. So these are all the examples that sound needs medium for its propagation. Then another point you have to remember that speed of sound in water is 4 times speed of sound in air. Alright, it means that sound travels 4 times faster in water than in air. Then next point you have to remember is that the branch of physics which deals with the study of sound is known as acoustics. Okay, acoustics. Then if you consider any sound all sounds are having three characteristics. Okay, pitch, loudness and quality or timbre. Quality, we also say it as timbre. Pitch is the first characteristics, then loudness, second characteristics, and then is quality or timbre. Now what is pitch? Pitch, you know that if you consider that in a dark room there is a boy and there is means if you are considering, just if you are hearing a voice, but if you cannot see the person that whose voice is, then you will see that if it is a male voice, then it is flat, but if it is a woman voice or if it is a voice of a girl, then you will see it is very shrill. So pitch is that characteristics which distinguishes between a shrill sound and a flat or grave sound. Okay, and here remember that when you are considering the two sound, their loudness we are considering same. So what is the definition of pitch? Pitch is that characteristics of sound which distinguishes between an acute or shrill sound and a flat sound of the same loudness. Loudness should be same. I will explain what is loudness. Okay, so you see, pitch is that characteristics of sound by which you can distinguish between a male voice and a female voice. You know that female voice is very generally female voice very shrill, whereas male voice is grave or flat. Okay, so pitch is that characteristics of sound which distinguishes between an acute sound and a flat sound, but don't forget to mention that both the sound should have the same loudness. So what is pitch? I said that the characteristics which distinguishes between a shrill sound and a flat sound. Now from this definition you see it is not very clear that how one can measure the pitch. Okay, so pitch is not a directly measurable quantity. Alright, that's why pitch is measured by measuring frequency. Alright, pitch is determined by frequency. Frequency is a directly measurable quantity, but pitch is not a directly measurable quantity. This point you must remember. So the question will arise then, what is frequency? All of you know, you studied it already. It is the number of complete vibration made by a vibrating body per unit time. Means in 1 second, the number of vibration, complete vibration a body can make, that is the frequency of that body. Alright, and SI unit of frequency is Hertz. It is the name of one scientist. That's why H should be small when you are writing the full term, and when you are writing the abbreviation, then H is big and Z small. Okay, SI unit of frequency is Hertz. And remember, 1 Hertz means 1 per second. Okay, per second. Second to the power minus 1 means per second. Because here you see it is written, no. It is the number of complete vibration per unit time. Okay, and you know SI unit of time is second. So 1 Hertz is equal to 1 per second. Alright. Now the question will arise then, how the pitch is measured by the frequency? If the pitch is high, it means frequency is more. And frequency more means what? The body is vibrating faster rate. Okay. So when it is a low pitch sound, when it is a flat sound, it means what? Frequency is less, and it means that the body is vibrating slower. Alright. So all the points I have written, you must write it down properly, and you must remember point wise all this related with pitch. Now examples of some high pitched sound. Okay, the first one is female's voice, everybody knows. Then next one is buzzing of mosquitoes or cry of a baby. Okay, examples of low pitch sound are male's voice, then roar of a lion or beating of a drum. These are the examples of high pitched and low pitched sound. You must remember this. Now next topic is musical instrument. You know musical instrument entire thing is physics only. Okay. So musical instrument generally depending on which thing actually producing the sound after means due to its vibration is depending on that. We are having three types of musical instrument. Broadly, we can classify musical instrument into four types of instrument. Depending on what? Depending on means how the sound is produced or who is producing by its vibration producing the sound. Depending on that fact, there are four types of musical instrument. Okay. First is the stringed instrument. From the name it is clear. Stringed instrument means a stretched and tightly bound string. They vibrate and produce the sound. Okay. Examples of stringed instruments are violin, sitar, guitar and sarangi. Then next one is wind instrument, where the vibration of wind enclosed within the instrument produce the sound. Okay. So examples of wind instruments are flute, then trumpet, bugle. This is B-U-G-L-E. I repeat, B-U-G-L-E, bugle and shehnai. Okay, these are the examples of wind instrument. Then the third kind of instrument is known as membrane or percussion instrument. From the name it is clear, membrane instrument means a stretched membrane vibrate and produce the sound. Okay, examples of percussion instruments are tabla and drums. Then another kind of instrument is reed instruments, where there are metal reeds which vibrate and produce the sound. Okay, examples of reed instruments are harmonium and mouth organ. So you must learn what are the four types of musical instrument, and you must also remember examples of each type of instrument. Now I will discuss in details all the different kind of musical instrument. Now the first type of instrument is stringed instrument. Now I will discuss. Now in stringed instrument, remember, sound is produced by vibration of straight strings. Okay. Now if you consider the straight strings, then in different musical instrument, the vibration is produced in the string in different way. How it is produced? You see, in sitar and guitar, strings are plucked. This is the way we pluck the string in sitar and guitar to produce vibration. Okay, but in case of piano, strings are struck to produce vibration, whereas in case of violin, what is done? A bow is moved over the violin string back and forth. Okay, so these are the three different ways you can vibrate the string in stringed musical instrument. Alright, but remember that all the musical stringed instrument, all the strings, they are set. I hope you have observed it. If you have not observed till now, today after getting this message, you must go through, see properly, observe properly the stringed musical instrument. You will see that all the musical instruments, strings are attached to a hollow box. The hollow box are made up of different materials for different stringed instrument. Okay. Now the question is, why the hollow box is there? Inside the hollow box, what is there? Air is enclosed. So when you are setting the string into vibration, then what will happen? It will produce, it will force the air within the box to vibrate, and the vibration of the air enclosed within the box, it increases the loudness, so it enhances the sound produced by the musical instrument. Alright, so point wise I have written, all these points are important. You are supposed to learn and remember all the points, and also note down point wise as I wrote on the whiteboard. Now pitch of or frequency of sound produced in stringed instrument depends on three factors: length of the string, thickness of the string, and tension or the tightness of the string. If the string is more tight, means tension is more. If the string is made loose, it means tightness decreases, tension decreases. Now here I have given you the extra information so that easily you can remember it. You see, frequency it is given by of a straight string in this one stringed musical instrument, 1/2 L. L is the length. under root T is the tension, divided by A into D. A is the area of the string and D is the density of the material used to make the string. Now once the string is made, then density of the material, it is constant, so we cannot change that quantity. So we say that frequency, it depends on length of the string, tension or tightness of the string, and the area or thickness of the string. Okay, so this information I have given, so those antenna can catch the signal, they can catch it, store it, and those who are unable to catch the signal, no problem, don't have to remember only. Okay, so you see, in this case, if you remember the formula, then you see, if I ask you that how the high pitch sound is produced, high pitch means what? F should be more. So how you can increase F? Look at the relation. You can increase F by decreasing L, by decreasing area, and by increasing tension, isn't it? And as I said, D you cannot touch, because once it is made, material density is constant, we cannot do anything with that. So here you see, F how you can increase? By decreasing length, by decreasing thickness or area of the string, and by increasing the tension in the string. So these are the three ways one can produce a high pitch sound in case of a stringed musical instrument. Then again, the same type of question, that how you can produce low pitch sound. Low means what? F will be low when L is high, A is high, and T is low. It means that you can produce a low pitch sound by increasing the length of the string, by increasing area of the string, and by decreasing tension of the string. So here the third point, there was no space, that's why I have written it here. Alright, so these are all the informations I have given you, explained, which are means related with the stringed instrument, and you are supposed to learn and remember all these points related with stringed instruments. Now next type of instrument is wind instrument, where how the sound is produced? Sound is produced by the vibrations of air column. Alright, I hope you have observed that how flute is played, bugle is played. There are certain holes. Then what you do? By your fingers you open or close the holes. Okay. Now when you open the holes, then what happens? When you open the holes, then the length of vibrating air column decreases and high pitch sound is produced. And when you close the holes, then length of vibrating air column increases, which produce low pitch sound. Okay, so these are the points you have to remember, that in a wind instrument how you can produce high pitch sound? By opening more holes. Okay, because opening the holes means it decreases the length of the vibrating air column. And how you can produce low pitch sound? By closing more holes. When you are closing the holes, then what you are doing? You are increasing the length of the vibrating air column, and thereby you are decreasing the low pitch of the sound. Okay, so these are the way the wind instrument works. The very less number of points are there, so kindly learn and remember. Thank you girls, that's all for today.